Alright you guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about dealer hand rules. What we mean by that is you as the dealer, we can't just stop taking cards or take cards whenever we feel like it. There's a rule set that we have to follow. So we are going to discuss those rules that we have to follow, either if we like it or not. We just have to make sure that we're consistent every single time. So if you look at the table here, it does say dealer must hit soft 17. You may not be able to see this down here, but in the card placement video we had discussed the difference between hard hands and soft hands. Obviously, if there is no ace in the hand, it's automatically hard. If there is an ace in the hand, we have to determine what are the two values that ace is allowed to be to determine if it's hard or soft. Since that was discussed in detail in the card placement video, I would just recommend that you go watch that. Make sure you understand the difference between hard hands and soft hands before you watch this video. So let's get into it. Now, as the dealer, after everyone makes their decisions, we're going to lay our cards down, expose our hidden card, and we're going to show everyone what we have, and we're going to continue to take cards until we reach a number that is higher than 17, either hard or soft, and we're done. If the number that we pull is below 17, then we're going to continue to take cards until we reach any number above 17. However, if we are at 17, that's where we have to really pay attention to the difference between hard hands and soft hands. If it's a hard hand, we will stop on hard 17. But if it's a soft 17, we're going to take another card. There are some casinos, specifically more so in high limit rooms, where the dealer will stand on all 17s. So, just something to be aware of. Once you reach your table, always read the table and make sure it says dealer must stand or dealer must hit on soft 17 or whatever the case may be, because every table may be a little different. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys a couple of different hands. I don't have these set up in any way. I'm just going to go through a number of these and just show you what we would do, what we would say, and when we stop and when we take another card. So let's get to that. So we start off with an 18. Doesn't matter if it's hard or soft, any number that is higher than 17, we will consider it as such, and we are done taking cards. Here we have a 16. Because we are below 17, we are going to take an additional card. So now we have 19. Now we are above 17, we're done. Now we have 17 exactly. When it comes to us being at 17, we have to remember if it's hard or soft will dictate if we take another card or not. Like it says here, dealer must hit soft 17. However, this is a hard 17, so we're done. No more cards here. This would be a soft 19, or we would just consider this just 19. Because one of the options could either be 9 or 19, because we have this ace being valued as either 1 or 11, one of those options is above 17. So if that's the case, we will consider it that higher option and just consider it 19, and we're done. Now this is a soft 17. It's soft because we have an ace, and the ace can be valued as a 1 or an 11 and keep the hand in the game. Just like the table says, dealer must hit soft 17. Because this is a soft 17, I'm going to take a card, just like the table says. Now we're at a soft 19. Because I have a value that is higher than 17, I am done now. Doesn't matter if it's hard or soft if you're above 17. Now I'm at 12, I'm below 17, so I'm going to take another card. Now I'm at 22, I'm too many. I'm just going to say too many, and now I lose, and I automatically am going to pay everyone who's still in the hand. We'll just do a few more of these. So I'm at a 5, obviously we're below 17, so I'm going to take another card. Plus a 9, we're going to be at 14, still below 17, so I'm going to take another card. Now, definitely over 21, so I lose automatically, and I'm going to pay everyone who still is in the game. This is going to be a 13. I'm going to take another one because I'm below 17. I'm at 15, still going to take because I'm below 17. And now I'm at 20. So now that I'm here, I'm above 17, but I'm at or below 21, so I'm going to stay in the game. I'm done taking cards. So I hope this was a decent enough explanation on exactly when you're supposed to take cards, when you're supposed to stop, as far as how the dealer is concerned specifically. When it comes to the players, they can follow their own rules, they can do whatever they want for the most part, but once they exceed 21, they're going to lose their money automatically. But as the dealer, we just have to make sure that we firmly hold to those rules. Hopefully that helps.